everyone, how you doing today? In this video I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade your mechanical hard drive to a solid state drive. And this is the laptop. There is an Aspire E11 and on this side it says E3-112M. So let's go ahead and get to the bottom of it. So you want to flip it over and you want to remove all the screws at the bottom cover. They're all the same size and height, so don't worry about matching them. There might be a few covers, plastic covers on these two screws at the middle. I don't know if they came with it or they probably fall off. There are two screws right here. You need to remove these two screws too. So there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 screws in total. They're all the same size. Once you open the screws, remove them. You want to open the laptop in 45-degree angle. Keep it like this. And then you want to grab yourself an opening tool or guitar pick. Or also if you want to know, if you want to have a good screwdriver or a nice kit, I recommend this one, tool set. I will leave the link in the description. This one, it comes with everything that you need. It gives you all the sets, speeds and extension. It's really handy. I use it all the time. Alright, anyway, so you grab your laptop in 45-degree angle and you want to shove this guitar pick or opening tool in between the top and bottom cover, and you're going to wiggle it around just like that. You see I'm not pulling all the way in, and then it should come out. This one is coming out easy. If yours it doesn't, just keep doing the sides slowly at the back and move the cover and it should come out. This is the bottom chassis, bottom cover, and in here you can see the battery, the hard drive, the main board. There is no upgradable RAM on this one, so if you guys keep asking how can I upgrade the RAM, you cannot upgrade the RAM on this one. Anyway, the hard drive is right here. There's no screws or anything on it. In order to not come out, there's a back panel. There's this kind of rubber things in here, holds the hard drive from sliding out. So pretty much you don't need any screwdriver to unscrew this one. Pretty much what you want to do, you want to hold it. You don't need to disconnect the battery or anything like that. Just leave it like that. Slide it off. Once you see the gap right here, you want to just lift up the drive. This one comes with a Western Digital 256 gig, 250 gig hard drive, and you want to grab your solid state drive or SSD drive, and you want to match the same type of the entrance. If you try to put the other way around, it won't go in because of the cut right here between the SATA and the power cable, power jack. And you're just gonna slide it in there just like that. And once the hard drive is in place, the last thing is simple. Just grab the bottom cover, make sure you put the IO side down first, slide it in, and then push down the corner. Make sure you hit those clicks. And the last thing is to put the bottom screws all around it and the two in the middle. And that's it. That's how you upgrade your mechanical hard drive to an SSD. Remove the mechanical and put an SSD drive. Now if you want to put the Windows, download the new Windows ISO from the Microsoft, burn it on the USB drive. It includes everything in there, and then just boot it up and install your new operating system. And I hope you guys like this video. If you guys liked it, click that thumbs up button, and if you have any question or anything, just leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.